stop. Look at the person sitting in the corner office, the CEO, the decision maker, the $500 an hour strategist. By the end of 2026, that person won't be a human. They will be a line of code. Welcome to the era of the sovereign agent. While the world was busy playing with ChatGPT, Silicon Valley quietly shifted the gears. They aren't building chatbots anymore. They are building the ghost in the machine. Autonomous entities that can run a multi-million-dollar company with zero human intervention. Today, on Prime Progress, we are exposing the secret transition happening behind closed doors. We are revealing the tools that are making the boardroom obsolete. If you think your white-collar job is safe, you're not just wrong. You're next. Let's dive in. For the last 2 years, you've been a prompt engineer. You type, AI answers. It's slow, it's manual, but in 2026, we've entered the agentic loop. Imagine an AI that doesn't wait for your command. It monitors the stock market, analyzes competitor price drops, scans social media trends, and then, without asking you, it readjusts your entire e-commerce inventory and launches a targeted ad campaign. This is not science fiction. This is auto-scaling. Companies are now using frameworks where AI agents act as the marketing manager, the accountant, and the operations lead simultaneously. They don't take lunch breaks, they don't ask for equity, and they never get tired of winning. Think about the traditional workflow of a software company. You need a project manager to assign tasks, a developer to write code, and a QA engineer to test it. This process usually takes weeks. But with the rise of agentic AI, we are seeing the birth of the synthetic workforce. One agent writes the code, another agent immediately reviews it for bugs, and a third agent deploys it to the server. This happens in seconds, not weeks. The cost of production is dropping to near zero, while the speed of innovation is hitting light speed. If you are still trading your hours for dollars, you are competing against a machine that works for free. The war for the office is being fought by 3 giants. First, OpenAI's Operator, the system that can literally drive your computer better than you can. It's the ultimate administrative executioner. Then there's Google's Jarvis, which has turned the entire internet into its personal playground. It researches, buys, and negotiates while you sleep. But the real game changer is Anthropic's Claude Mythos. It's the intellectual elite. It can draft legal contracts, find tax loopholes, and create strategic 5-year plans in seconds. When these 3 agents start talking to each other, the human manager becomes the bottleneck. We are moving from human in the loop to human on the loop, where we just watch the AI succeed. But let's look deeper into the Jarvis effect. Imagine you want to launch a new brand. In the old world, you would spend months on market research and supplier negotiations. Now, you simply give your agent a goal. It scans global databases, finds the cheapest manufacturer in Asia, negotiates the shipping rates, sets up a Shopify store, and starts running TikTok ads before you even finish your morning coffee. This isn't just an assistant, it's a digital executioner that eliminates the need for middle management. The middleman is being erased from the economy, and only the architects will survive. So, where does this leave you? The gap between the AI rich and the AI poor is widening at a terrifying speed. In 2026, the new billionaires won't have thousands of employees. They will have thousands of bots. A single person in a garage can now command an army of digital workers that perform at a Fortune 500 level. We are witnessing the decentralization of power. You no longer need a massive office in New York or London to compete with the giants. All you need is the right stack of agents and a vision. The question is, are you building your agentic army, or are you waiting to be replaced by one? To survive, you must master the architecture of these agents. You must learn to be the architect of intelligence rather than a manual laborer of data. The transition is silent, but the impact will be loud. The apps on your phone are dying. The traditional career path is evaporating. We are seeing a world where skills are becoming less important than strategy. If an AI can code, design, and write better than you, what is your value? Your value lies in your ability to direct the machine. Your value is in your taste, your judgment, and your ability to spot opportunities that the algorithm hasn't seen yet. This is the ultimate test for humanity. But for the viewers of Prime Progress, this isn't a crisis. It's the greatest wealth transfer in human history. The tools are here. The agents are ready. The only thing missing is your move. We are at the starting line of a new gold rush, but this time, the gold is made of silicon and logic. Are you ready to lead the revolution, or will you stay a spectator in your own life? Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to build your AI empire. Don't forget to subscribe to Prime Progress, your only map through the digital storm. The future doesn't wait for anyone. See you in the next one.